You know that moment when you open a deep kitchen cabinet and everything at the back feels like it's hiding from you. Pots stacked awkwardly, cans rolling around, and you're bending and stretching just to grab a single item. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and honestly, it's one of those little daily annoyances that nobody talks about until now. That's exactly why I want to try the Kitstorack 2-pack pull-out cabinet organizer. These slide-out drawers promise to transform your cabinets from chaotic black holes into neat, accessible storage, all without a full kitchen remodel. Right away, this product stands out because it's built for people who value organization but don't want to compromise on strength or durability. The 21-inch deep drawers are designed to fit standard frameless cabinets, giving you a serious upgrade for deep, hard-to-reach spaces. Unlike expandable or flimsy racks that sag under weight, these are fixed-size, reinforced panels made from thick, heavy-duty materials. The moment I slid them into my cabinet, it was clear this wasn't some cheap, temporary solution. These are meant to last. The design is surprisingly thoughtful. The full extension ball bearing slides let you pull the drawer completely out, so you can see and reach everything without having to dig around or shuffle things back and forth. Opening and closing them is smooth and practically silent, which is a huge plus if you're a busy household or you just don't want to wake anyone up while grabbing a morning pot or cleaning supplies. The drawers are also detachable thanks to a clever buckle system, which makes cleaning under and around them easy. No more hidden grime or dust bunnies lurking in the corners. In terms of everyday performance, these organizers deliver exactly what you'd hope for. I loaded mine with heavy pots, cast iron pans, canned goods, and even a few small appliances, and the slides handled it effortlessly without any sagging or wobbles. Everything stayed secure and easy to access, which makes cooking and cleaning far less stressful. The adhesive setup is another game changer. There's no drilling required. You just peel, stick, and your drawer slides are ready to go in minutes. For renters or anyone hesitant to put holes in cabinets, this is a huge advantage. Of course, it's important to know the limits. These drawers are designed specifically for frameless cabinets. If your cabinets have door frames or unusual internal dimensions, they might not fit properly. Also, while the adhesive is strong, if your cabinet interior isn't perfectly clean or smooth, you may need to take a bit more time to ensure a secure installation. But these are minor considerations compared to the overall convenience and strength these organizers provide, comparing them to similar pull-out or roll-out kitchen drawers in the same price range. The Kitstorack 2-pack Poo 2-pack pull-out organizer really stands out for a few reasons. Many competitors offer expandable designs that can sag or bend or require complex installation with screws and brackets. These manage to combine heavy-duty construction with tool-free setup and smooth, silent operation, a surprisingly rare combination. You're getting professional-grade functionality without the premium cost or hassle. Who is this product perfect for? Anyone with deep cabinets, a busy kitchen, or simply a desire to make daily cooking and cleanup easier will find a huge benefit. If you love meal prepping, keep a lot of pots and pans, or just hate digging for ingredients at the back of the pantry, this will save you time and frustration every single day. On the other hand, if your cabinets are shallow, have frames, or you only need light storage, simpler drawer organizers might be sufficient. But for deep, heavy-duty use, this is hard to beat. In short, the Kitstorack 2-pack pull-out cabinet organizer transforms your cabinets into fully accessible, organized spaces. It's strong, smooth, easy to install, and built to last, making it a practical upgrade for any kitchen, bathroom, pantry, or even office storage. If you're tired of awkwardly stacked items and wasted cabinet space, this is a solution that genuinely makes life easier. I've added a link in the description so you can check the current price and see if it's the right fit for your home. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more honest home organization reviews, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip that makes your space more functional and stress-free.